In this video, we will be dealing with admission and confession under Bharati Sakshi Adhinayam. So, according to section 15, it defines what is admission. So, admission is first of all a statement that is given in oral, documentary, or electronic form. It should relate to fact and issue or relevant fact. Okay, that is the general definition that is given under section 15 of the Act. And section 16 says whose admissions are relevant. For example, the parties to the suit, their admissions are relevant, and agents who are authorized by the party when they make admissions, that admissions are relevant, and the parties who are suing in representative character, like there are more than 100 plaintiffs, so one plaintiff represents 100 of them, and therefore any admission that is given by them on representative character also binds everybody, binds the 100% as well. So whatever the party who's suing in a representative character, when he gives an admission, that is also relevant. And the person who has proprietary or pecuniary interest, who has a monetary interest over a particular suit, or with regard to the particular case, the admission that is given by him is also relevant. And the person from whom interest is derived in a particular suit. So this often happens in uh, partition related cases or inheritance. In such cases, the person from whom the interest is derived, when he gives an admission, that will also becomes relevant. Under section 17, there is an ambiguity with regard to the position of a particular person in the suit. So to clear such ambiguity, the position, with regard to that position, any statements made with regard to that will be relevant. For example, in a tenancy suit, it becomes relevant that first of all the plaintiff or the defendant should be owner or a tenant respectively, right? So in order to uh, make sure that suit goes on, firstly, at before going to the merits of the case itself, the parties should prove their stance, their position, that I am the owner, I am the tenant. They have to prove that first, and then the court will go into the merits of the case. So in order to prove the position, any statements given with regard to that, that will also become relevant. And section 18 deals with an exception in a mere sense that generally the persons who are not party to the case, whenever they gave admission, that is not relevant. That is the general rule. To qualify someone has given admission, and to make it admissible before the court, he must be a party to that particular suit. If he is not the party, then whatever admission he gives will not be relevant. So here it is an exception for that general rule, where I am the party and I'm referring another person to give admission, right? I am the party to the suit and I'm referring the third party to give admission. Then that admission that is given by a third person will be relevant.